Yeah, behind me you see the map of the UK with different regions here, everywhere down from Edinburgh all the way down to Poole, Southampton in the south there. And as you can see, there are two areas here where we do have these final results coming through. Let's just take a look at the eastern area. Go to Chelmsford, which is where this has been declared, and you can see just how these numbers are panning out at the moment. The key thing here is you can see the number of MEPs, but you can also see the share of the vote, and it's worth just focusing on those two lines because you're seeing some big shifts happening here. Conservatives have 28% here in the eastern region, but only down a touch there, and as a result they have 3 MEPs followed through from there. Labour gain 6.8 percentage points here, get an MP as well. But of course, the big stories, the two big stories really, are over here. UKIP up by 14.9 percentage points, 34.5, so the biggest share of the vote. And as a result, they returned the first of the MEPs there. And just look at what's happened to the Lib Dems. Down by 6.9 percentage points there. To 6.9, and they lose their MEP there as well. Let's have a look at what's happened in the northeast region as well. Up in Sunderland, these results are coming through from there, and you can see, again, the story is similar, although Labour here are the biggest party, and they, as a result, returned 2 MEPs here, 36.5% of the vote, and up a pretty chunky 11.5%, which is more or less what the Lib Dems have seen their vote share fall by. Just look at that, 5.9%. And actually, talking to Michael Slasher, a lot of these local results at just local authority level are very low for the Lib Dems, even in the areas that haven't yet declared. And just finally here, the UKIP is just one of these stories that we're going to be talking about throughout the night. And again, a big increase in terms of percentage points. Actually, I want to show you just one final thing, because beyond this page, you can see some of the other parties and what's happened with their share of the vote. Now, the BNP didn't have an MEP in the northeast, but you can see, look at the fall in their share of the vote, down by 7.2 percentage points. And just finally, before I go back to you, Adam, you can see as well, the same thing has happened in the eastern region as well. So it's a BNP fall, a very big fall there, but big increases for UKIP, of course.